what's going on, everybody? I'm Noah from PhoneDog.com, and this is the brand new Palm Pixi Plus from Verizon. Thanks to the folks at Verizon for sending it out to us on loan. Hits the stores on January 25th, but we got you covered a couple days early with a hands-on. We saw this one at CES, and now it's for real. And basically, you've got a Palm Pixi with the addition of Wi-Fi, and then Verizon's new mobile 3G hotspot, which is optional, and that's actually going to run you an extra $40 a month for 5 gigabytes of data on top of your regular voice and data plan. So if you want the mobile hotspot on either the Pixi Plus or the new Pre Plus, which also will be available January 25th, you're going to pay your voice, your data, and then an extra $40 a month for that mobile hotspot. But the phone itself will be $99.99 on contract after rebate, and like I said, more or less the same Pixi that hit Sprint last year, but with the addition of Wi-Fi. And really, the Sprint version, one of my favorite phones of last year. I think it's a great device. The addition of Wi-Fi makes it, I think, more universally appealing, because there were some folks who, were hesitant to go with the Pixi instead of the Pre because the original one did not have Wi-Fi. But now the Pixi Plus does have Wi-Fi. It's on Verizon, as you can see right there. There I am in the reflection. What's up, everybody? And in the box, you get the phone. You get the same nifty orange packaging as the original. And then you also get your manual, your getting started stuff, etc. Data cable and charger, which is USB based. So your data cable is for data, or it's to connect your charger. And then you get important safety and legal information. The Pixi Plus is touchstone compatible with Palm's wireless. Well, for now, touchstone's going to be a whole line. So right now, the only touchstone accessory that exists is that wireless charging station. But eventually, there'll be other accessories in the line, and you can get an optional back panel that's compatible with the wireless charging system. This one is not. You get the soft grip plastic, kind of rubberized soft grip back panel, but you can buy an optional one. They come now in a bunch of different colors, and also the Artist Series with designs on them. So those are optional accessories available for both the Pixi Plus and the original Pixi. The Pixi Plus loading up, and while it's loading up, we'll run down some of the specifics here. I should say booting up. Like we said, 802.11bg Wi-Fi. There we go. Booted up now. All right, so here we go, the mobile hotspot for Pixi Plus, downloading the app right now. So we'll get that one hooked up through the Palm app catalog. But again, Wi-Fi on the new Pixi Plus. On the top, you've got a 3.5mm headphone jack, headset jack, and then your lock and power switch. On the back, 2-megapixel camera, LED flash, a video capture app is coming soon to all Palm OS, WebOS devices. Full keyboard on the bottom. Capacitive multi-touch touchscreen. The device weighs just over 3¼ ounces. Really lightweight, feels great in the hand. The gesture area down here, no button. It's got that little LED indicator. We'll launch the mobile hotspot here. You've also got your USB port on the side here behind this little rubber capped area. So there you go. Alright, so we'll get a quick look here at a little tour around the Pixi Plus. Here's your app menu. If you're not familiar with how WebOS works, I've got a bunch of videos of other Palm devices up. But basically, you've got a multi-touch display. You've got this launcher bar on the bottom. You get to your launcher, and you've got your apps available, and you can swipe from screen to screen. You can swipe up and down, and then you use the gesture bar to do things like go back, or you can tap on it once, and or if you launch an app, like we'll launch the mobile hotspot app here, the app comes up in what's called a card, and then you can tap once to minimize the card, and you can swipe through multiple cards. So if I open up another card here, we'll open up the phone. And so I've got a couple of cards open now, and they're minimized, and I can swipe back and forth for multitasking. And if I want to go to one, I can just tap on it. Or if I want to get rid of one, I can just flick up, and it's gone. Very nice way of dealing with multitasking, running multiple apps, that kind of thing. So here's the mobile hotspot. And basically, you know, it's pretty simple. It looks like you just hit the button, turn it on. I have to set a passphrase, create a network. There you go. We'll do some testing on this, but connect 5 devices at a time. Again, it's $40 a month extra for the mobile hotspot plan through Verizon with a 5 gigabyte data cap. So a little more expensive than I was expecting. We'll let you be the judge if it's a good value or not. Connects over Verizon's EVDO network, which where I am right now, the reception is a little bit low, but in this particular spot that I'm in, the reception for all cell phone networks is low. So, you know, generally speaking, Verizon's coverage in my area, see now it's back to high. That's just kind of where I am, the building I'm in, the location I'm in, that kind of thing. So, generally speaking, Verizon's network is pretty solid here in the San Francisco Bay Area, where I live and work most of the time. But, you know, it all depends on where you are and where you live and work. So, again, there you go. It's a quick look at the Palm Pixi Plus for Verizon. It hits on January 25th, $99.99 on contract after rebate. The Pre-Plus will also hit on January 25th for $149 on contract after rebate. And we'll have separate coverage, of course, of the Pre-Plus for you on phonedog.com. In the meantime, I'm going to test out this mobile hotspot, test out the Pixi Plus. Maybe we'll have some hands-on coverage in written format over on the website, so be sure to check that out. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. My name is Noah. The website's phonedog.com. We'll have much, much more on the new Palm phones, the new Verizon phones, whatever else happens. We got you covered over on phonedog.com. Until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.